Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all our drone enthusiasts out there. We will be comparing two popular drones in the market, the SOTAONE HS440 drone and the SOTAONE S400 drone. Both of these drones offer unique features and capabilities, so let's dive in and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to drones, one of the most important features is the camera quality. The SOTAONE HS440 drone comes with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera. With its 112 degrees wide-angle lens, you can capture stunning aerial scenery and every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a beach or a family reunion, the hydrogen sulfide can handle it all. Another crucial factor to consider is the flight time. The SOTAONE HS440 drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. This is made possible by its powerful modular battery, allowing you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without the need for constant recharging. Portability is often a key consideration for drone enthusiasts who are always on the go. The SOTAONE HS440 drone is designed with a foldable frame, making it compact and easy to carry. It even comes with a carrying case, allowing you to move the drone from one place to another conveniently. With the HS440, you have complete freedom wherever and however you want to create. The SOTAONE HS440 drone and the SOTAONE S400 drone have received mixed reviews from customers. Let's take a look at what some of the reviewers have to say. And that wraps up our comparison between the SOTAONE HS440 drone and the SOTAONE S400 drone. Both drones offer impressive features, but they excel in different areas. The HS440 stands out with its auto-adjustable camera and extended flight time, while the S400 impresses with its gesture identification and compact size. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.